What's up, guys? It's me, Black VR, and today I'm playing Big Scary. Animal Company. Get it! Remember when I said I hit 15 subscribers in one of my videos? Funny moment. I was playing Animal Company, and I hit that like a few months ago, and I don't record that much in May. No, in the summer. So I'm just gonna be going to do random stuff.
Hey guys, join code FART for a giveaway. Join code FART for a giveaway.
Guys, there's nothing in that.
Bet I'm joining.
And I'm driving in the summer.
Power, join now.
I'm gonna join a war code.
Guys, join code FART for a giveaway.
Second, do something. Which there is a bomb that makes you have zero gravity. There's a zero gravity bomb in the space. I'm gonna look for it. Then after I'm gonna join a war code. Wait, there's no. There's no. Yeah, there is someone up there. There is someone here. I thought there was no one there. But what is he doing? Get out! But I'm driving myself. That is driving by itself. Yeah, there's a ghost. I don't know what's happening, but it's driving by itself. Oh yeah, you probably know why. He probably jumped off. Will be funny.
Everyone immediately runs for your grappler.
Dude, can I have my grappler back?
Green, it's fine, Green. Come with me, Green.
We're floating. This is a bomb.
Oh, someone found the new space
this
grenade.
Is the bomb
Green.
that makes
Hey, Green guy.
happen.
Come with me, bro. I'll take you to get a new grenade. Grappling hook. I know where to get them. Come on, Green. I'll show you. Come on.
That's
What
the
the
zero
heck?
gravity bomb. It's the zero
Come on, Green. I'll
gravity
take
bomb.
you. No, don't.
That's the zero gravity.
Who did that? Thank you.
You need to go to space, right? And then there's a zero gravity bomb up there. Hey, Green, you want me to show you?
It's like a team.
Green, I'll show you. Say, come up here.
If you have new